Chapter 8. E-commerce. Introduction of e-commerce. When we buy or sell a product or services, it is called commerce. In commerce, three different people are involved who play an important role for the growth of commerce in any country. These are producers or manufacturers. Producers are the people who produce or manufacture different kinds of products or items and provide services. Sellers. Sellers are the people who sell items or goods and provide services to the people. Buyers. Buyers are the people who purchase items and services. For example, Bata manufactures shoes, which the shopkeeper in your neighborhood sells and you buy it. So Bata company is the producer, the shopkeeper is the seller and you are the buyer. After the introduction of internet and other technologies in commerce or business, it's completely changed the face of the commerce. Now, people are more comfortable with e-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, which means buying and selling any product online using internet technologies. Many companies have set up their websites which provide the facility to order and purchase their products and services. E-commerce does not only refer to the selling of physical products, it can also refer to the selling of services where. How does e-commerce work? Because there are hundreds of different products and services for consumers and the multitude of different ways these products and services can be delivered, e-commerce by its nature is varied in the way it works. In its most basic form, e-commerce works as follows. Consumers choose a product or service on a website. Consumers pay electronically on the website, online credit card transactions, or using a third-party payment provider such as PayPal. The business owner or merchant receives the order and payment and the order is fulfilled, delivered by post, booked for services, etc. Making payments online is completed via a secure connection to ensure that sensitive data such as credit card details and personal information are kept private. Types of e-commerce. There are four basic types of e-commerce available. Business to business, B2B. Business to consumer, B2C. Consumer to consumer, C2C. Digital middle persons, business to business, B2B. This involves companies doing business with each other. One example is manufacturers selling to distributors and wholesalers selling to retailers. Business to consumer, B2C. B2C consists of businesses selling to the general public through shopping cart software without needing any human interaction. The company establishes websites for its product and services so that the customer can order any product or service and gather information about them. Consumer to consumer, C2C. This takes place within online classified ads, forums or marketplaces where individuals can buy and sell their goods. Examples of this include eBay. eBay has been successful since its launch in 1995 and it has always been a C2C. Anybody can sign up and begin selling or buying, giving an early voice to consumers in the e-commerce revolution. Digital middle persons. This refers to a company that provides information about several companies on a single website. This company gathers information from other companies about the same type of products and services. A commission is charged for every sale or purchase by the company hosting the website. Advantages of e-commerce. Over the past decade, e-commerce has become the preferred method of shopping for a large number of consumers. Online shopping provides a vast array of benefits to the consumer that is otherwise unavailable in standard brick-and-mortar stores. quick, easy, and convenient. E-commerce has enabled the consumer to complete transactions from the comfort of their own home, transactions that would usually happen within the walls of a store. Transactions now take only minutes rather than hours included in physically getting to the stores. Product comparisons. Not only are consumers finding it quick and more convenient to shop online, but they are also making more comparisons than ever. Comparing the price, delivery time, and product specifications have never been simpler. Quickly browsing multi-websites that stock products that suit your criteria is as simple as a Google search. Consumers can now compare multiple products in minutes. Lower prices. Many consumers are turning to e-commerce for their needs due to the lower price for many everyday items. Different factors on the merchant's side of the equation allow them to sell products at a lower price compared to a standard store, and these cost savings are often passed to the end consumer. E-commerce payment system. An e-commerce payment system accepts electronic payment for online transactions. This is also known as Electronic Data Interchange (EDI). These online payments are used with online shopping and banking. There are different types of payment systems like traditional credit, debit, and charge card. New technologies such as digital wallets, e-cash, mobile payment, and e-checks are also getting popular with people. Another form of payment systems used to allow third-party companies like PayPal to complete the transaction for you. These companies are called Payment Service Providers, PSP. Over the years, credit cards have become one of the most common forms of payment for e-commerce transactions, but increased security measures such as the use of Card Verification Value (CVV) are required to detect any kind of fraud. A smart card is similar to a credit card that can transfer electronic cash to your card from your bank account, and you can then use your card at various retailers and on the internet. A popular smart card initiative is the Visa Smart Card. Some of the modes of electronic payments are following: credit card, debit card, smart card, e-money, electronic fund transfer (EFT), credit card. Payment using credit card is one of the most common modes of electronic payment. Credit card is small plastic card with a unique number attached with an account. It has also a magnetic strip embedded in it which is used to read credit card via card readers. When a customer purchases a product via credit card issuer bank pays on behalf of the customer, and customer has a certain time period after which he or she can pay the credit card bill. It is usually credit card monthly payment cycle. Following are the factors in the credit card system: the card holder, customer, the merchant, seller of product who can accept credit card payments, the card issuer bank, card holder's bank, the acquirer bank, the merchant's bank, the card brand, Visa or MasterCard. Debit card. Debit card, like credit card, is a small plastic card with a unique number mapped with the bank account number. It is required to have a bank account before getting a debit card from the bank. The major difference between debit card and credit card is that in case of payment through debit card, amount gets deducted from card's bank account immediately, and there should be sufficient balance in bank account for the transaction to get completed, whereas in case of credit card, there is no such compulsion. Debit cards free customer to carry cash, checks, and even merchants accept debit cards more readily. Having restriction on amount being in bank account also helps customer to keep a check on his or her smart card. Smart card is again similar to credit card and debit card in appearance, but it has a small microprocessor chip embedded in it. It has the capacity to store customer work-related or personal information. Smart card is also used to store money which is reduced as per usage. Smart card can be accessed only using a PIN of customer. Smart cards are secure as they store information in encrypted format and are less expensive or provide faster processing. Mondex and Visa Cash cards are examples of smart cards. E-money. An e-money transaction refers to situation where payment is done over the network and amount gets transferred from one financial body to another without any involvement of a middleman. E-money transactions are faster, convenient and save a lot of time. Online payments done via credit card, debit card or smart card are examples of e-money transactions. Another popular example is e-cash. In case of e-cash, customer and merchant both have to sign up with the bank or company issuing e-cash. Electronic fund transfer. It is a very popular electronic payment method to transfer money from one bank account to another. Accounts can be in same bank or different bank. Fund transfer can be done using ATM, automated teller machine or using internet. Nowadays, internet-based EFT is getting popularity. In this case, customer uses website provided by the bank. Customer logins to the bank's website and registers bank account. He or she then places a request to transfer certain amount to another account. Customer's bank transfers amount to other account if it is in same bank. Otherwise, transfer request is forwarded to ACH, Automated Clearing House, to transfer amount to other account and amount is deducted from customer's account. Once amount is transferred to other account, customer is notified of the fund transfer by the bank. E-commerce. Security systems. Security protocols in Internet. Following are the popular protocols used over the Internet which ensures security of transactions made over the Internet. Secure Socket Layer (SSL). It is the most commonly used protocol and is widely used across the industry. It meets following security requirements: authentication, encryption, integrity, non-reputability. HTTPS:// is to be used for HTTP URLs with SSL, whereas HTTP:/ is to be used for HTTP URLs without SSL. Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol (SHTTP). SHTTP extends the HTTP Internet Protocol with public key encryption, authentication and digital signature over the Internet. Secure HTTP supports multiple security mechanisms providing security to end users. HTTP works by negotiating encryption scheme types used between client and server. Secure Electronic Transaction. It is a secure protocol developed by MasterCard and Visa in collaboration. Theoretically, it is the best security protocol. It has following components: cardholder's digital wallet software. Digital wallet allows cardholder to make secure purchases online via point-and-click interface. Merchant software. This software helps merchants to communicate with potential customers and financial institutions in secure manner. Payment gateway server software. Payment gateway provides automatic and standard payment process. It supports the process for merchants' certificate request. Certificate authority software. This software is used by financial institutions to issue digital certificates to cardholders and merchants and to enable them to register their account agreements for secure electronic commerce. Key technologies. Following are the key technologies used in B2B e-commerce. Electronic Data Interchange (EDI). EDI is an inter-organizational exchange of business documents in a structured and machine process format. Internet. Internet represents World Wide Web, WWW, or network of networks connecting computers across the world. Intranet. Intranet represents a dedicated network of computers within a single organization. Extranet. Extranet represents a network where outside business partners, suppliers, or customers can have limited access to a portion of enterprise intranet or network. Back-end information system integration. Back-end information systems are database management systems used to manage the business data. E-commerce sites and ethics. E-commerce site has price list with some extra security features. Trust is one of the key factors for these sites. Buying products to internet is very easy and simple, but you must not do it alone or without the permission of your parents or elders. There are numerous fraud companies which sell the products and services. They will steal your credit card code and PIN, and you may run up with huge bills of credit cards while you might have purchased products for a few hundred rupees only. Some of the popular e-commerce sites: www.amazon.com, www.flipkart.com, www.snapdeal.com, www.indiatimes.com, www.bookselleronline.com. How to do online shopping? Online shopping means buying products using internet. You need an authorized e-commerce site credit card for this purpose. To do online shopping, follow the given steps. Open any e-commerce website, for example, www.amazon.com. Now, fill the required details to sign in. Enter your email address and password. Click the login button. If you do not have an account, create it. Enter the product name in the search box and click the Go button. A list appears displaying all the available products. Double-click on the product you are interested in and view the details of the product. Click the Add to Cart button. You see the products in your cart. Click the Proceed to Checkout button. A form appears. Enter the shipping address and click the Deliver to this address button. Select the payment options and enter details as per your choice. Quick review. Commerce involves buying and selling of a product. E-commerce is buying and selling of products online. B2B, B2C, C2C and digital middle persons are the types of e-commerce. An e-commerce payment system accepts electronic payment for online transaction. Online shopping means buying products using internet. Security and trust are the key factors in e-commerce.